Okay, so what I have with me here is the antibacterial lemon fresh scent Pine Glo kitchen and bathroom cleaner and disinfectant. Again, like it said on the top, it's antibacterial, and this is just what it looks like. It's the 40 fluid ounce bottle, and these are just the active ingredients there. And then this is just telling you like the typical thing of cleaners, just to keep it out of the reach of children. This is just what it looks like. It says right here that it's made in the USA, and it kills viruses, rotavirus. It kills the pandemic of 2009. H1N1 influenza A virus, which is normally called, the swine flu. And that's just what the back looks like here. It just has all the directions and Okay. So what I want to start out with this product by saying is this is pretty much like Pine Sol. But I am going to say it works just as well as Pine Sol, and it's honestly half the price. This was so cheap, and I almost cried at how cheap it was, because at first, I'm not gonna lie to you, I did think it was Pine Sol because of the L and the O in the bottom. I don't know, sometimes I can't read. But I was so happy that this product was so cheap, because my reasoning for buying this product was because I needed to clean my dorm room floor, and I was like, oh my gosh, like we can't just use water to get this out. It's not going to come out with just water. Like, what are we going to do? And me and my roommate were freaking out because we were like, oh my gosh, like what are we going to do? Like Pine Sol, we don't have money for that. So what we did is we went and we bought some of this. And it was so inexpensive. I was like, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how much it costs. Like, it's so cheap. And she's like, oh my gosh, grab it, grab it, grab it. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is so great. And so we got that and we brought it back to our dorm and we cleaned the floor, and it looks like our floor was like waxed. Our floor looked so clean. I was like, wow. I was like, everybody can use this. Like, this is such a great product. Like, put this in every commercial, put this in every booklet, put this in every magazine, put this in everywhere. I was like, here, you can take this home. Like, I was just so happy because it was so inexpensive and it worked so well. Like, honestly, Pine Sol, who? Another thing that I like about this product is that it's a pretty decent sized bottle. Like, it's a pretty long little bottle. It holds a lot in it. I've had this for about 4 months, I think, and I still have some in it. I don't know if you can see in there. It's kind of there. And I use it to mop my floor. I've let my friends use it to mop their floors. I've let so many people use this, and honestly, I still have a lot because you don't have to use a lot of the product in order to get the result that you want. And that's what I love about this. Another reason why I got this is because, most Pine Sols, they're, the lemon scent. And I love, love, love when things smell like clean lemon. I don't know how else to explain that. But I just really love that smell. And they had this, the lemon fresh scent in there. I think they had a different kind too, but I don't exactly remember which scent it was. But I just like the lemon fresh scent one. And I am in, like, my room smelled like lemon fresh scent for such a long time, and I was so happy because I just love the smell of clean. The smell of clean makes me so happy. Like, I just love when things smell like they've been cleaned, like somebody cares about where they're at or where they're living or anything like that. And you can use this for anything. Like, you can use this for your kitchen, for your bathroom. You can also use it as a disinfectant. Like, you can put it on your sinks and in your dishes and things like that, and it's perfectly fine. And I just really like that because not a lot of things you can use on all like surfaces and in all things that like you would put in your mouth or something like that, or that you would use to eat out of, or you would use to like clean. It's just for so many purposes that I like. Another thing that I like about this product is, since it's decent sized, it's not necessarily something that you can take with you for traveling, but I feel like this isn't something that most people travel with, so I feel like in that aspect it'll be fine. But I was so happy when I found this product, and I've suggested this to my mom, I've suggested this to my friends' moms, and they're like, oh my gosh, like, why am I buying this product when I can just buy this one and it's so much cheaper and it works just as well as those ones do? And I'm like, yeah, it does. And so I really just like this product, because you're like, what are you spending all that money for if they're all going to do the same thing, you know? So I just really like that. Like I said, I've used this a lot of times. I've had a lot of other people use this too. I have, you know, you stick your hand in the bucket and, you know, you twist the mop if you don't have one of like the fancy mops and stuff like that. And my skin is fine after it. I mean, I wouldn't suggest like putting this on like a lotion or something, like rubbing it all over your skin, but it doesn't have a bad effect on your skin. If anything, just wash it off. In my experience, I haven't had any bad things for my skin, but just wash it off if you think there might be something wrong. But again, this is just the antibacterial Lemon Fresh Pine Glo Kitchen and Bathroom Cleanser and Disinfectant.